Welcome to my class, my dear friends. Today we will learn unity in diversity. So, in our India, there are more than 100 crore of peoples, and their religion, dance form, and culture, and everything is different from each other. So, we will learn about diversity. So, what is diversity? Diversity means difference, and it is influenced by historical and geographical structure. So, how it is different by historical? You know, friends, more than 100 years ago, the outsiders came to India and they came for trading or settle in India. So they accepted our culture and mixed their culture in our culture. So a new culture formed and we also accepted their culture. So now how it is different by geographical structure. You see, in the North India it is very cold because of Himalaya. In the West India it is very hot because of desert, and in the southern India it is peninsula, so it is moderate climate. So because of this geographical structure, our fooding, clothing, dance form, language are different place to place. Now we will read about religion. So India is a secular country. All kind of religious peoples are here, like Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Christian, etc. And we should respect all the religion. Now we will read about language. So language is divided into three parts. One is mother tongue. Every state has his mother tongue and national language. Our country India has a national language called Hindi and international language is English. But we are having more than 1600 languages. So friends, now we know our fooding, clothing, music, festival are different from place to place. Now we will read unity. Though we have read that the all the things are different from place to place, but when the word came India, we are one Indian. We are brothers and sisters. So we have fought against the British rule and the Britishers run away from our country. And our flag is one, Tiranga, our national anthem is one, Jana Gana Mana. So, our former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru said in his book The Discovery of India that Indian unity is not something imposed from the outside, but rather it was something deeper and within its fold. The widest tolerance of belief and custom was practiced, and every variety acknowledged and even encouraged. It was Nehru who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe our country, India. So we should always respect our country and our national flag and keep cooperation with each other.